Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, you guys, I'm actually going to be giving you guys, this video is going to be for moms, okay? Because I am a mom. I'm a mom and I have 3 kids. To give you guys a 10-minute or less makeup look, super cute, super simple, you know, straight to the point with it, for you guys to be able to, you know, put on your face on a daily basis or whenever you just want to get cute and glam. So before we get into the video, you guys, if you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is Chrissy M. Yes. My channel is all about makeup, fashion, beauty, and some lifestyle, you guys. So if you are feeling this channel, by the time you make it to the end of this video, make sure you guys go and hit the subscribe button and post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. So let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. So I've already curled my hair and everything because that's just one of the things that I have to do on a daily basis, make sure my hair is on point, okay, or somewhat on point. So I literally do not have a lot of time in a day, you guys. I feel like my day is like consistently doing this like over and over and over again. So on the times that my baby is sleeping or my daughter is able to watch him for a second, I sneak away and do my YouTube videos because that's literally the only time that I have to get anything done, any work done, or anything is when he's sleeping or when he's with my daughter. So this makeup look, you guys, is super simple. Sometimes, you guys, I don't even have time to even put foundation on. I just do concealer and do like a, you know, translucent powder and go on my day. So right now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I am gonna be using the Revlon Color Stay. This is a brow pen. It just came out, you guys. I absolutely love it. I've fallen in love with it. Honestly, I like it better than the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It glides on very smoothly, you guys. It gives me like this nice shape. Plus, to fill in, you can use like this little powder puff thing right here just to kind of fill it in if you wanted to. So super cute, super, you know, easy to do. Like this. They look crazy, really thick and really bushy, but they're not going to be like that once I shape it. So I'm going to go in now with my MAC NC45 concealer. You guys, this is my favorite concealer. I use this concealer all the time, so often, for my brows. It's like the perfect concealer to be able to shape your actual brows, you know. Alright, you guys, so once I am done doing my brows, I like to go in with wet Q-tips and I like to clean up my brows. This is like the easiest way to actually clean your actual eyebrows, especially if you're not using a full face, if you're not doing like a full face glam makeup and you don't want to bring that concealer down. This is like an easy way to just clean it on up. You're a mom, period. You know that it is a struggle to even do anything. You need enough time to pretty much get stuff going. So this is like the most efficient way for me, you guys, to get this off of my face. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to move in to cover any of the under eye circles or any spots on my face. I am going to be using the orange LA Girl Pro Orange Concealer corrector, you guys, to cover all those spots up. This is my favorite. And then I'm going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Alright, you guys, next I'm going to move into the e.l.f. This is their Hydrating Camo Concealer. The color of this one is Deep Chestnut. Yeah, deep chestnut. This is really, you know, a great affordable brand e.l.f. you guys. If you are a mom and you cannot, or you do not want, and if you do not want to spend a lot as far as your concealer, foundation, and everything, you guys should check out the e.l.f. brand. It's really good. Now, for as far as foundation, I didn't really like the foundation when I used it, but the concealer and like the setting powders and stuff, it's a really good brand, you know, and it's very affordable for you guys to check out. But this look I really like. It's super simple and it's super like cute, and it's just like, you know, I'm a mom. I still want to look cute. I still want to get dressed up. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to be like sitting around looking blah all day, especially during COVID, you know, like, who would sit around looking crazy all day? So I'm gonna set this in with the Ciate London. This is their everyday white translucent powder, you guys. Whatever white translucent powder you guys find, use it. But you definitely wanna set this in, especially if you have oily skin like me. Because I have oily skin, so I have to have this stuff on my face. Like, it has to be set before applying any foundation or anything. And then while this is setting, you guys, I'm gonna do my lashes and put my lashes on. Now, if you're the type of person where you just wanna keep it super simple and don't wanna do lashes, just add some mascara or something and go about your day. But for me, I like a little bit of a glam. I still am a young mom, so I do want to have some type of lashes on my actual lid. So I'm gonna put my lashes on, you guys, and I'll be right back. We're gonna move into foundation. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move into foundation. Foundation-wise, you guys, I normally use Fenty Beauty, but I've ran out, so I need to order me some more. So my second best thing to Fenty Beauty is the NARS, their new soft matte foundation, you guys. It is one of my favorites, and when I say by far it is amazing, it is amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and take a damp beauty blender, and I'm actually going to put a little bit on my beauty blender. And we're gonna apply that to the face, you guys. And I like using a beauty blender. I feel like it blends out very well. And it gives me the look that I actually want to achieve, which is not too heavy, more like, you know, natural like, but still give me like a nice little glam. And I have to say, if you are a mom and you're not trying to spend a lot on foundation, another foundation that I use, you guys, is the Morphe. That foundation for 18 bucks is so good. Like, that's another one that I really normally use on a daily basis to do my makeup, you know, especially if I don't want to, because, you know, the NARS and the Fenty Beauty, they're pretty expensive. They're not like cheap makeup, you know. You're gonna pay about in between 30 to 40 bucks for it. So if you use it every day, you know, it's eventually going to run out. So you have to have second, you know, options as far as foundations that you love, that you want to wear, that works for you and your skin and what you're looking for as far as, you know, a nice, clean, natural look. So those are like my top 3, you guys. Those are like my top 3 that I use as far as like a matte foundation for oily skin. And again, if you're a mom, you want something lightweight that's on your face, because 9 times out of 10 you're gonna be running around after your babies, you know, doing this, doing that, you know, all over the place like I am, because I'm literally all over the place. So you want to have something that's going to be like super light and refreshing on your face. This is what that looks like, you guys. This is the NARS. And you guys, I did make a review on the NARS. I will tag it up above if you do want to see it. So you guys, after this, I like to add like a little bit of a setting powder. Sometimes I go in and I do like a little highlight, but I'm going to add just a little bit of a setting powder under my eyes, just to kind of give me a little bit of a brightness. And then that setting powder is going to be the Laura Mercier. This is their new Honey Translucent Setting Powder, you guys. This is about, I think, 38 bucks. But it's totally worth it, you guys. And I'm just going to put a little bit up underneath my eye, just to brighten it up a little bit, you guys, there. Just a little. Because again, we're just keeping it natural, but we want it to, you know, look really pretty. Alright, you guys, so as far as lip, I normally just do like a gloss or something, or if I wanted to do a color, I would do like a matte pink or like a red or something. But a lot of the times, you guys, it's just super natural gloss and go. So today I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. This is their matte liquid lipstick. It's my favorite. The color is Praline. And then I'm actually going to cover that up with the Maybelline Lifter Lip Gloss. This is like one of my favorite. If you guys have not had it for drugstore, it is amazing. So first we're going to put the base down, which is the matte lipstick, because that's going to give us a nice color.
Now something deeper.
Alright you guys, now we're going to go ahead and cover that up with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This color, you guys, is ice. But it's like a light pink color, so I feel like it'll look good over the top of this, yeah. That looks good. Oh. Alright you guys, so the last final steps is me putting a little bit of mascara up underneath my eyes, because since I have these volumized lashes on, I definitely want to have a little bit at the bottom. It only makes sense, it makes it right.
Give me something that's deeper. So close, but still we can never. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper.
Alright you guys, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer to my cheeks. I do like to have a little bit of a highlight at the cheeks, you know, just to give like a natural glow. And then I'm actually using the Victoria's Secret, you guys. It's like a gold shimmer highlighter for the cheeks. It's for the body. You can use it for whatever. They don't sell this anymore, you guys. I've had this for so many years.
Where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing. Disposable as chewing gum.
Now you guys, I'm going to go in with my Morphe. This is their translucent setting powder, and spray my face. And voila, we're done, guys. We are so done. So if you made it to the end of this video, you guys, and you really love the video, make sure you guys go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead, that matters in the YouTube world, as I always say. Subscribe to your girl's channel, and leave some comments down below, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.